Redmi Note 7 is coming to India soon, teased Xiaomi India head Manu Kim on Twitter. The smartphone was launched in China with a 48-megapixel rear camera sensor earlier this month. Apart from housing the advanced camera sensor, the Redmi Note 7 is the first smartphone of the Redmi by Xiaomi sub-brand that was announced earlier this month. Xiaomi notably teased the launch of the Redmi Note 7 Pro at the Redmi Note 7 event that could also make way to the Indian market in the coming days. At this point, it is unclear if Xiaomi plans to release both Redmi Note 7 and Redmi Note 7 Pro phones in India, or just one of these phones. Xiaomi India Managing Director Manu Kim on Thursday tweeted his image along with Xiaomi CEO Jun holding the Redmi Note 7 in his hand. The tweet also includes upside-down text that specifies the arrival of the 48-megapixel camera phone. The tweeted reads, "We're gonna turn this industry upside down. Amazing number 48MP is coming." The Redmi Note 7 was unveiled in China earlier this month with a starting price of 999 Chinese yuans, roughly Rs. 10,500, for the 3GB RAM/32GB storage option. The USP of the new phone is indeed its 48-megapixel Samsung GM1 sensor that sits on the dual rear camera setup, along with an f/1.8 aperture and another 5-megapixel sensor. The Redmi Note 7 also comes as the first model of the Redmi by Xiaomi sub-brand. At the time unveiling the Redmi Note 7, Xiaomi also teased the launch of the Redmi Note 7 Pro that is set to come with a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor at the back. The smartphone is rumored to come under the Redmi by Xiaomi sub-brand next month, sometime around the Chinese New Year. Unlike the Redmi Note 7 that has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC, the Redmi Note 7 Pro is rumored to come with the all-new Snapdragon 675 SoC. The smartphone is also speculated to carry a price tag of 1,499 Chinese yuans, roughly Rs. 15,700. Given Xiaomi's past trends, the Redmi Note 7 Pro is likely to be the handset that will debut in India in the coming days. The smartphone will come as a successor to the Redmi Note 6 Pro that was launched in the country back in November last year.